Welcome back to another Simply Development tutorial. Have you ever wanted to make a server on Minecraft Beta 1.4_01 to play with your friends? Well, if you have, this is the right video for you. Now what you're going to want to do first is navigate down into the Dropbox link down in the description. And then once you go to the Dropbox link, you're going to see all of these server files. This tutorial will work for any one of these servers, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and the rest of these. But these beta ones are what we're focusing on today. So the one you want to go ahead and click on is beta 1.4. And then once you've clicked on that, you'll see a Minecraft server 1.4_0.1.jar. And then you want to click it and download it. You want to download, but I already have it downloaded. So once you have it downloaded, move on to the next step. Alright, so then when you have it downloaded, wherever it is, you get the server.jar, and then you want to right click, new folder. And then just name that whatever you want. I'll just name it tutorial server. And then you want to drag this into the tutorial server. And then you want to open the tutorial server folder. And then inside of the folder you created, you want to open the server.jar. And then it'll say starting Minecraft server. And then it says not enough RAM. That's just because I haven't set the RAM properties. But I'm not going to because I don't want to install plugins or anything on this server. So then it'll go ahead and create the server. It says failed to load whitelist and everything, but then it creates the whitelist and stuff up here. So then when it says done, you want to type in the command stop to stop the server, and then you want to open server, right click it, and then edit it with whatever you want to edit it with. I'll just open it with code. So then in here, whatever code editor you're using, it'll have all these properties and things. So then the hell world is the nether, which I don't remember if the nether was around back then. But if you want to enable the nether, you type, instead of false, you type true if you want to enable the nether. So then you do Control S to save it. And then if you want monsters to be spawned, you either do true or false. So I'll just keep it at true to spawn monsters. And then set the online mode from true to false. You set it like that because this old version of Minecraft isn't online anymore. It's like a cracked version because the legit versions of Minecraft don't support this old version anymore. So it's like a cracked version, but you're really launching it from the launcher. So just set it to online mode false, because if you set it to true, it won't let you connect to it if you're using an actual account. So then if you want to spawn animals, keep it at true. Max players, you can set it to whatever you want. You can set it to 20, you can set it to 60, to 100, I don't really care, I'm just going to keep it at 20. And then the server IP. To get your server IP, you want to press the start button and type command prompt, and then go to your command prompt, and then type ipconfig. And then you want to find in here wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, and then you want to find your IPv4 address. Then you highlight it, and then you do Control C, and then for your server IP, you put your server IP, whatever you copied. I'm going to blur it out so you don't see what mine is. And then you want to start up Minecraft Beta 1.4. And then you also want to start up the server.jar again. You want to make sure it's running while you're playing on the game. Then once you go into the game, you want to go to multiplayer, and then you want to paste that copied IP into here. But I'm going to blur it out so you don't see it again. And then you want to press connect, and then you're connected to your Minecraft server. And then you want to share that IP with friends, and then they can connect to your server. And if you want to use server commands, you want to op yourself. So do op lexmark66 or whatever your username is. So then it'll op you. Now that you've opt yourself, you can do all kinds of commands, like /time set 1 to set it back to morning, and then /time set -10000 to set it back to nighttime again. And then you can do /help, and then you can look through all these different commands to get the idea of other commands that you want to do. So that /say hi is to like make the server say something, and then you can set the time, which is what you saw earlier. /time set 1. So yeah, now you have a Minecraft server that you can play on with your friends in beta Minecraft 1. If you would like to see more tutorials like this one, make sure to shut up, zombie. If you would like to see more tutorials like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, and do all that gibberish, because Simply Development is out.